Komachielo en midhiero mopogore opogore okwako od thieth ma Moi Teaching and Reffferal osiptal e gwenge mag Eldoret kama oting'o nok mar jotije ma bende moromo e od thiethno manyalo konyo kwan mamalo mar jotuo ma bende chopo e od thiethno odiochieng' kodiochieng' ne chenro mag thieth. Jata tije od thiethno Laktar Philip Kirwa ne oloso e yo machalo kama.
Of course, it's always the human resource. When you have, on a daily basis, when you have maybe patients coming to see you in a particular clinic, and you have 300 patients, where you require to spend at least 10 to 15 minutes per patient to understand them, it tells you that you probably have to work and extend to beyond the normal working hours on a daily basis. The second thing, of course, is the issue of our bed spaces. We have a limited number of beds, so patients sometimes have to be booked and wait for time before they get those opportunities. And also for treatment, like for example, for outpatient. Because of the long queues, again, with issues of HR, issues of the equipment, they have to wait for longer before they get the care that they do.